new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another YouTube video. This morning I'm driving, taking Neffy to dance class, and apparently there was like a parade going on, or a bike show. I'm not sure which one, either a parade or a bike show. Something's going on, which I did not know was going on this morning. So the whole of my street was like blocked off, and that's like making me super late. So I'm like, oh my gosh, like Neffy's second day at dance class and I'm already running late. Like, this is ridiculous. You're welcome, sweetie. Okay, so I love you. So yeah, sweetie. Yeah, those are trees. How many trees do you see? Can you count them? Yeah, do you see all the trees? Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know 11? What, girl? Oh my god! You did it! Good job! I'm so proud of you. Good job, Nana. Yeah, guys. So this morning, because Babe had to stay home in the week. He stayed home Monday, was it? No, he stayed home Tuesday and Wednesday with Nevi because she was sick. So he's doing overtime this weekend to make up for the last time. So yeah, that's the only reason why he's not coming with me to dance class, because we said that seeing that Nevi loves, you know, when she has both parents there at dance class with her. I didn't even have breakfast this morning. I literally just rushed out, and it's super cold. I guess this is the start of fall, so the place is super cold this morning. So that's why I have on like sweater, and even Nevi, I don't put Nevi in her dance clothes this morning because I think the time is way too cold. She stays warm and she has her undershirt, because something that my mom used to do for me when I was smaller is that, yes, sweetie? Okay, we'll get something after dance class. I gave Nevi food before I head out this morning. So I don't know where she's hungry now, but you want what? You want what? Yeah, but we're almost at dance class. That's not Daddy, sweetie, guys. Mommy? Every truck that she sees, she swears her Daddy. Nevi, that's not Daddy. That's not Daddy. Daddy's at work. That's not Daddy's truck. Daddy's at work, sweetie. That's not Daddy, Nevi. That's not Daddy's truck. No, Mommy. It's Nevi. That's not Daddy's truck. It's not Daddy. Daddy's at work. Huh? Tree. Yes, I see the tree. Whatever. Anyways, guys, so I reached on time. Just pulled up. I'm about to go head inside now. Are you ready to go to dance class? Yes. You gonna have fun? Pull it out. Good job. Good job, sweetie. Good job. And then take your time. Take your time. You got it. Okay. What is this one? So anyways, I'm gonna run a few errands now, and before I go, I'm just gonna get Nevi some. Yes, sweetie, I'm gonna stop and get some breakfast for you. So I'm gonna get Nev some breakfast, and I'm gonna go run all my errands that I need to get done today, because the place looks very overcast. So I don't plan on spending like a long time on the road. I just want to get what I'm getting and get off this road. Yeah. So I got a new Luvme here, and the last video I didn't show you guys like how it came when I had bought my first wig from Luvme. So showing you guys how the package looks. So they always put a little note, which is super cute. Love that. And this is a new wig. So the last wig that I got, it was a curly wig, and I love curly hair. And my sister has been on my skin to try a hair that has like a bit of a more natural look, like a bit of like a kinky type texture. So we found this because I had sent her to like search through the site, and choose one that she thinks, you know, looks as close as possible to. So she found this one. It has like a natural puffy look. So this is how it comes in the package. It's a headband wig because I want something that I can pull on and wear to work every day and not have to do like no edges or nothing. So thought a headband wig would be perfect. I am gonna have to comb it out to get it fluffy. So just showing you guys how it looks with natural lighting right at the window. So showing you guys what it looks like. It's so pretty and long. I think so this one that I got is 18 inches. Oh, and my last package came with some goodies inside, which is super nice. So I got this the last time too. It's like a edge control thingy and a mirror and a wrap. Wait, is it a mirror? I think it's a, yeah, the mirror. And it's so cute. Like, who doesn't like to get like a freebies in the package? I got wig cap, and I guess this is the how to care, I think. Yeah, I never even realized this, but apparently these wigs from Luvme, because it's like human hair and it's luxury type human hair, you can actually deep condition the hair and get it to feel like, if it's too dry, you can deep condition and it restores back. This out. Oh my gosh. I guess I don't know what this is. No idea at all. And these look big head friendly because my head is big. So when I tell you, like, regular headbands sometimes cannot fit my head because they're too tight and they give me a headache. So these look like they will fit my head. So as I said, it looks scanty like at the end because you have to comb it out to get it to look, you know, how it should look. So I want to show you guys that. So it's currently our anniversary day, and like I am gonna cook like a real nice dinner. And so I'm gonna wear the wig, and I have some stale braids that have been in my hair for a week. I'm quickly wetting the hair with water, and I also used a Cantu curling cream to get some moisture in the hair, and I'm combing it out. I rather the Cantu curling cream than using a mousse. I would recommend washing the hair before wearing it just to get rid of the wig scent that it has. And this hair is small head friendly, not for the bigger head persons like me. So it does fit. It's just that it's very snug, and over time it adjusted to fit a bit better. I've been wearing this hair for about a week now, and what I normally do in the morning, I just add my products and add a little water to the hair, and it's revived right away. If I wanted to have a bit of a dry, puffy look, I won't add any products to my hair. But I think that I like when the hair is not as puffy, so I will just add a little water in the mornings and get it to lie a bit flat, and that's it. And I just tie down my edges, and quick, easy to go hairstyle for work every morning. I must say, this hair looks so natural and real. Several persons have asked me, is this your natural curl pattern? Is this your natural hair? And I have to tell them, like, no guys, this is a wig. The hair looks like, I had to wet it up a bit because I didn't like it too puffy. So yeah, I love it so much. So for dinner, I'm making ribs, and I'm doing these lobster tail. I'm just working on my rub for the meat. So my meat is all seasoned. Okay, so this is how it's looking. Okay, so this is how it turned out. That's fine. Babe already gone with his. I didn't even get to show the finish. What you said?
You can show the end result before I start eating it.
Babe, I'm just capturing you enjoying your meal.
As we can see, the male is eating.
Hi guys, I got this cake for our anniversary and I put our wedding topper, the Miss and Mrs. and our wine glass, and we are gonna sit. Let me turn the lights. Enjoy how we're gonna play this game. And I have an eye on Nevi here. Yeah, so hopefully Nevi doesn't come and take over this night like she did for our date night. Hope we're actually able to enjoy the rest of this night and, you know, just spend time together as a couple. So our day turned out really well. I had babe pick up these roses from the grocery store when I placed the order, and I got the cake last minute from a bakery that was close to us. And yeah, it's coming all together. I'm trying to turn on the TV, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, can you do it? Okay. Oh, look at baby coming in with a clutch for this one.
Yes, I can.
Alright, so we are reading our vows to each other. I'm actually reading mine to babe tomorrow. It was something that we actually wanted to do at our wedding, but with time and everything, we weren't able to.
Yeah,
I guess over share. Do you want to read it, babe, or you want me to read it for you? Let me read it. Okay. So, Timothy Cohen, second. Okay, this is from Babe to me. And babe, I must tell you, this is the best anniversary gift you could have given me.
Came from the heart.
Yeah, it means so much. I want to get it framed or something. Anyways, to the woman I love with all of my heart, my truest friend, my chosen partner in life, the mother to our beautiful daughter, and the only woman to put up with me longer than 8 hours a day, which is true. On this day, we take a vow to be with each other on the brightest, warmest of days and the freezing, stormy of nights. On this day, we went from taking the weight of the world from our own shoulders and share the burden of life together. Aww. Still makes me emotional, babe. You're too sweet. You're trying to get lucky tonight, aren't you? Okay. Do you remember when we met up in Jamaica and how we both felt? The joy in our hearts that we were there together, finally able to enjoy each other's company and knowing that we were meant to be together. How we were both so nervous about our future together, but we knew we could do anything as long as we were together. The hours on the phone talking, texting and video calls, even though we had our moments that we thought this was the end of our relationship. Yep. We have managed to find a way through it all. That's truly amazing. We found a way back into each other's arms and back into each other's hearts. On this day, I promise to be there when you need me the most in life, to be the stone in the storm that won't budge no matter what comes in it, to be that driving force needed to get us through the muck in our new life. I may not know how, but I will not stop until we make our dreams come through. I promise to love you till my dying breath. I know we would not be alone throughout our journey together, so I ask those that join us on this day not only remember our vows to each other, but to continue their support and guidance to the best of their abilities. May we all share many joys and happy memories in our lives together. On this day, I, Timothy Michelle Cohen, do vow as your husband to love and honor you, my dear loving wife, Jordan Amanda Cohen, in our most precious moment in our lives, to have and to hold to death. So may death do we part. I love you.
Okay, now do it in French.
What?
Sacre bleu.
Stop it. Okay, so yeah, babe, that melted my heart so much.
You're welcome, sweetie.
Thank you for your sweet words.
Now imagine if I actually put that kind of effort in everyday life.
Bye, Felicia. Alright, babe. Let's. Did you shuffle? Or you want me to shuffle? Do you shuffle?
Why would we need to shuffle?
Oh, because it's like a new pack.
Yeah,
Right.
it's not like we're playing strip poker or anything.
Okay, bye, Felicia.
I mean, I don't need cards for that.